Hi there, I'm Mike Slicker. This is Lighthouse Books, and we're in our new building. We moved over the course of the last fall, and we're here in Dade City, Florida, not far behind the old courthouse and up from the railroad depot and historical museum. We have a lot more space here in Dade City than we did in St. Petersburg. You can see here, back down near the piano there, we have a table and our map collection. Just up from that is where our literature is. Across the way here is a lot of history. We do have a special section of Florida history, as well as most of the other states, Americana, all over the place. We have a nice aviation collection that we've had for some time, and keep adding to that, of course. And you can also see this space is a lot bigger than the tight quarters we were in St. Petersburg. We look forward to seeing you. We hope you'll come up and visit us. This Saturday, which is January 18th here, 2020, we're having our opening. And if you happen to come up, we'll give you a cup of wine and maybe a little cheese or something. Look forward to seeing you.